Have you ever smelled your dog's paws and thought, wait, is that popcorn? Don't worry, you're not the only one. In fact, it's a thing. It's called Frito feet, and yes, it's a real thing. Many dogs' paws have a corn chip smell. And Bella? Oh yeah, she's got the full snack pack. Somewhere between nachos and a dog nap. The smell comes from bacteria and yeast that naturally live on your dog's paws, especially a type of bacteria called Pseudomonas, which smells a lot like, you guessed it, corn chips. And since paws are often warm, moist, and sweaty, it's the perfect little party spot.
Are they dancing on me?
If the smell gets really strong or is mixed with redness, licking, or swelling, it could be an infection. In that case, it's time to talk to your vet. So yes, your dog's paws might smell like Fritos, and it's kind of cute, kind of weird, and totally normal. Now you know why your dog smells like a snack.
It's okay if you don't want to subscribe, but if your dog smells like corn chips, we might already be best friends. See you in the next one.